All right, so now we're going to make a face for our girl. So let's start with eyes. I will make it smaller. I'm just let's give her almost black. Yeah. You can group them together if you want to be able to move the eyeballs, then you don't group them together. I'm going to group them from right now just to make it easier. First make it the size you want and then we can duplicate it now because there are two eyes. What we can do is let's zoom in. Let's make it a little smaller. Once I reach the face, I have a little bird who's a hidden assisting. Yeah, if you want an alien, then we can do that. Yeah. So yeah, so there we have one eye. Now we do yes, copy, paste, and you know what? Best is to flip it because then it's just thoda sa, that shape comes better. Yeah. You can do an outline. You don't have to do an outline. Now for the eyebrow, a simple eyebrow can just be we have a line here. Let me see. Take the shape tool. I put a point here. We put a point here. I move that here. Yeah. Let's move it to 2 maybe. Make the size so the eyebrow goes like that, right? So we do, let's move, oops, here, take this here. Now we do that, we can do all the sizing, copy and paste. We've got one. Now what do we do, horizontal or vertical? Yes, flip horizontal, and there we go. Now for a mouth, I'm just going to do it simply like that, just for the heck of it, just for right now for reference, and then later we can, you know, always do more detailed things. If you want your mouth to move, if you want to animate the mouth moving, then keep that in, you know, have that in your mind when you're making the mouth. You can have two parts to the mouth. You can have a single part to the mouth. Now you guys know how to basically create something, you know, create an object. So then from that, you can always tweak it and turn it to how you would like it. Yeah. Yeah, and make the details. Little bird is saying, and make the details accordingly. Yeah, I know it's a very, very strange looking mouth. But let's just, let me just see what I, Um, yeah, it's more like a joker mouth, but we're getting the idea here. Tutorial. We can do another tutorial. We can do the all the paths in a very detailed way. But here we're just trying to get an idea mainly um, of just how one can make all the different parts. So I'm making a very more a cartoony, comical kind of nose, and like a smiley face and things like that. But we can always add the eyelashes and make it more detailed, and maybe the eyes need to have an outline. You know, um, maybe that would help the eyes. So all that kind of detailing. So here we have one version of a girl with her features in a very, very cartoon, in a very simple, basic way, just to give you an idea of how to do it. And if you guys want to have, more pretty looking eyes and face and noses, and we can do another tutorial which is on each part.